Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 engine misfire issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Engine misfire in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as rough running, shaking at idle, hesitation during acceleration, loss of power, or a flashing or steady check engine light. Verified owner reports and service information show that engine misfire concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine type, ignition system design, fuel delivery, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves ignition system issues. Worn spark plugs, failing ignition coils, or damaged plug wires in applicable configurations can prevent proper combustion in one or more cylinders, leading to misfires under load or at idle. Another confirmed cause relates to fuel delivery problems. Clogged or malfunctioning fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, or inconsistent fuel supply can result in improper air-fuel mixture, causing misfires during acceleration or cruising. Air intake and airflow-related issues are also documented factors. Vacuum leaks, unmetered air entering the engine, or faulty airflow sensors can disrupt the air-fuel ratio, leading to cylinder misfires, especially at idle or low speeds. Sensor-related problems have also been reported. Malfunctioning sensors that monitor engine position, airflow, or temperature may send incorrect data to the engine control system, resulting in improper ignition timing or fuel delivery. Engine mechanical issues are another verified consideration. Low compression due to worn valves, piston rings, or internal engine wear can cause persistent misfires that do not improve with ignition or fuel system repairs. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related control behavior, carbon buildup affecting combustion, or electrical wiring issues. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for misfire-related diagnostic codes, inspecting and replacing ignition components, testing fuel injectors and fuel pressure, checking for vacuum leaks, and performing engine mechanical tests when necessary. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 engine misfire issues are resolved through ignition or fuel system maintenance rather than major engine repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and maintenance practices. In conclusion, Ford F-150 engine misfire is typically linked to ignition component wear, fuel delivery issues, airflow disruptions, or sensor-related faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.